Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create and enter team code in Free Fire. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To enter a team code in Free Fire, first open the game. Once you're inside the game, look for the option next to the Battle Royale mode. Tap on it, and then choose either Duo or Squad from the menu, depending on how you want to play. Once selected, a code will appear on your screen. This is your team code. You can also get this code by selecting the team option from the main menu and then copying the displayed code from there. After copying the team code, tap on the small arrow icon located on the screen. Then, tap on the mobile icon that appears. Now, you'll see a field where you can paste or enter the team code. Once entered, you'll be able to join the same lobby and play with your friends. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create and enter team code in Free Fire. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.